How to enable Instagram story comments. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. This is Instagram's latest version, so simply make sure you have updated your Instagram to the latest version. Then simply open Instagram, go to your profile located at bottom right. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines on top right. In here, simply scroll down. Scroll down till you find comments option. Click on comments and then click on stories. After you click on stories, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply make sure it's your followers or followers you follow back. And these two are the options to simply turn on. After this, you're good to go. This is how to enable Instagram story comments. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.